We all want a warm, comfortable, safe home for ourselves and our family. And we all want a better future for our planet and our children. Making some simple changes means smaller energy bills, a smaller carbon footprint, and a warmer, more comfortable home. Replacing windows for more energy-efficient windows, which are built with quality components and are made to last, can achieve these goals and continue to save money year after year. Did you know that up to 80% of energy loss through a window occurs at its edge? Poorly insulated windows can also lead to condensation and mold, potentially affecting your health. Warm edge glazing is up to 65% warmer at the edge than traditional windows. Pane spacers are set around the inside edges of the window to keep the two panes of glass apart. Warm edge spacer bars, containing little or no metal, are the most efficient. They minimize thermal energy transfer through the edge of the window glazing. Thermoseal Group is a leading UK manufacturer of highest performance warm edge technology. Our innovation has been recognised for a multitude of awards, including the Queen's Award for Enterprise International Trade 2017. Thermobar and Thermoflex are made with a superior technology designed to minimise energy loss through your windows. Thermobar Warm Edge Spacer is a rigid tube spacer system made with engineering plastic with a gas barrier tape, with the highest Passive House rating of A+ for Arctic climates. Thermobar Warm Edge Spacer is highest rated in the Passive House hygiene requirements. Thermobar is available in a range of colours to complement window systems. Thermoflex Warm Edge Spacer is a flexible foam spacer system with a gas barrier tape. Thermoflex is also available in a range of colours. So if you want to keep the warmth in or out of your home, more money in your pocket, and to do your bit for the environment, choose Thermoseal Group's Thermobar or Thermoflex energy efficient and premium quality warm edge spacers in your windows.